Hi friends. You will need these ingredients for the soup: chicken, potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, leek, or half of a regular onion, bay leaf, peppercorns, milk, cream, and 1 quart, 1 liter of water, salt. Add the onions and carrots, let it boil. Add the meat, let it boil. Add the peppercorns and bay leaves. Boil for 5 minutes and remove the spices. Now add the potatoes, sweet potatoes. If you're not using them, skip this step. Cook until the potatoes are half cooked. Add the pumpkin. Cook until it's done. Pour some of the broth into a separate cup. Don't discard it. Blend until smooth. Add some broth from the cup and continue blending. Do not use all the broth. Add the cream gradually and continue blending. Bring the soup to a boil. Do not let it